Hey beautiful Tovians, welcome back. It's your girl Tovia again. So right now I am about to leave the house. I have got a lash extension appointment in like an hour and 30 minutes, but the only reason why I'm in the hurry is because I have somewhere else I need to go that does close at 6 and it's 5:30 right now, and it's 30 minutes to get there. Pray for me. So I need to hurry there and get something before I run for my lash extension appointment. So I'm gonna like film this again, but I'm just gonna hurry up to go get my boss, and then I will update you guys later. It's gonna be a vlog anyway, so yeah. Welcome to Glasgow, guys. This is the night, or what's the day? Thursday in Glasgow. I think I need to clean my screen. There you guys go. Look at that. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video for now and go find the place I'm going to, after which I'll be back to the video. Let me show you guys me. This is me with my funny dressing. Yeah, anyways, let me find where I'm going to and I'll be right back. Look at that.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the road?
So guys, I'm done with my first appointment. Like, I went to collect an order, so I've done that now, and so right now I'm gonna hurry up to get my lash done. Yeah, that's the only appointment I've got left. This is Glasgow in the night. Look at everyone. I'm trying to get my video copyrighted because you know you don't want to put that for your videos. You know what I mean. So anyway, so I'm gonna hurry up to do that now. You're not allowed to come with someone, from what I learned. It's just you. So anyways, guys, I'll be right back. Let me stop videoing.
Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the
So guys, this is my face mask off, and I'm still on my way to my destination. So basically I'm crossing the road right now. Anyways, there you go. Anyway, so I'm just walking, and I don't really know if I will be allowed to film. It's my first time. I think I will be able to film if only I have done it before. So I'll probably get to the place and then I won't be able to film the process of getting the lash on my eyelashes. So I probably won't be able to film the process of getting the eyelash on my eyelashes, whatever. If you guys don't understand my English. So I may not be able to film that particular process, but I'll be able to show it to you guys once I am done. Right now you can see my eyes, I'm just looking normal. So I'm having to wear my hat. That's because I don't look okay for anything more than what you're seeing right now. Obviously I look okay. Sorry. Crossing the road again. Oh my god, this is bright. I look like white. I'm not actually white. Anyway, so it's very cold. I don't know if you guys can see the breeze coming out from my mouth. Okay, so you guys can see it's very, very cold. Anyways, so this is me. Oh, got my bag, you can see that. So this is me still walking. Let me show you guys the other side of the road. Yes, this is my view. Oh my god, here comes a dog. Oh, your dog. Okay guys, you all pay attention because the guy who was following me is about to go through my back right now, and I sensed something instantly because it was way too close. I even have to push myself so I can pass because it was on the bicycle. Watch out. I like dogs, but I don't think I can be able to keep one because they're so scary. Hope nobody takes my phone from me, Joe. Okay, hope I haven't missed my way. No, I think I still need to work. Work. I want to cross this by running. Yes, run. Bye, guys. So, oh, that's great news. Those are Scottish buses. These are First buses. They were like, I think according to history, I don't know, but when I read like some time ago, I think they were founded as the first buses here in Scotland. I think I think all of the UK, I don't know. But yeah, that's the story. Sorry if I'm partying a lot. I've run, I've worked, and yeah. Oh, and it's really very cold. My hands are really cold. I wish I had it on my pockets, but if I do have it on my pocket, you guys won't be seeing me on this video. I don't trust this guy. I hope he's not gonna steal my phone from me, because he kept driving around me. I don't trust him. You guys, you get me? This particular guy here, this delivery guy, I don't trust him. I mean, he passed me before, and here he is in my back again. How come? I don't know. Anyways, I'm just gonna hold my phone really on the time because I don't trust anybody in this world. So yeah. Anyways, let me see my mom from there yet. You guys won't believe it. I just confronted the delivery guy and I asked him, I was like, can I help you? Like, I keep saying he's working the same step with me. And he's like, oh no, he's trying to locate a place. Right, and I just bent, and he actually bent with me. You can see him over there. That is strange. So I'm not going to vlog anymore because I don't want anybody who will take my phone from me. Anyways, I'm almost in my destination. It's just like to work, and I'll be there because I've been there before. Yeah, there we go. So you guys, I'm going to show you guys the front. Alright, this is my front. This is where I'm coming to. I think it's number 2. And I'm currently at number, I don't even know, but I'm gonna find it and then start making this video for the now until I find the main door. Okay guys, thank you. So when I drop my phone and stop filming, so to me I've lost the guy, but when I turn I saw this guy in my back. So anytime I pause, it will pause with me. Then if I start moving, it starts moving. So sometimes I will wait and then it will stop and wait in one corner and then just be there. Then once I start moving, it start moving as well. So I was not taking it anymore. I was like, nah. Guys, you wouldn't even believe it. This person I just turned, the guy is still in my back. I'm not even gonna lie. And right now I'm just gonna film in. I don't care anymore because this guy is still following me. Like, I'm gonna stop and just let him pass. Perhaps I still have like up to 20 minutes. I'm gonna see if he's gonna pass. Can you guys see him over there? Right, I'm gonna see. The idiot just stopped. The idiot just stopped. This idiot just stopped. Can you guys see that? He just stopped. I'm gonna zoom in because we had his face. Say anything happen. Can you imagine? Yeah, that guy just stopped. Now that is scary. So guys, because I was not taking it anymore, so I had to like start stopping people to talk to them. So I stopped, like I saw 3 guys working and I stopped them to want to talk to them. So only one of them stopped to talk to me while the rest 2 was still working. God bless him. Now I'm gonna drop him. Sorry guys, I don't know. Sorry, can you, sorry to disturb you, sorry. So you see this guy that is driving, like I've been walking all the way since and he's been following me. If I stop, he stops. So I don't know if I'm just this particular guy. Okay. So I don't know if it's normal. Because he's been following me.
I don't. The police in there or something?
Sorry?
I'm trying to think if there's police in there or something. If you think he's following you, but he's not following me, he's like...
He is, that's why he's stopping. Anytime I stop, he stops.
Fucking hell, just still chill.
Exactly, so he's gonna move now because he obviously know. Like I've been walking all the way from city center and he's been following me here all the way.
That's weird, man.
See, he stops again.
I don't know, man.
I think I'm gonna call it.
You amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See all
Okay guys, I am finally on the building. Guys, the worst just happened. Can you believe that guy was literally following me? Like, anyways, I will explain it later. I had to call the police, guys. It was serious. I will explain it later. Let me go for my appointment first. Alright.
I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love, so don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love, so don't give away my love, so don't give away my love, so don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Okay guys, that is me done. Can you guys see me? Looking all good. Hey guys, so that's me done. With my lashes, everything done. So now looking to the subway. Going to take my subways back home. So I'll be not stuck again this time because just that was really scary. I'm actually scared even vlogging right now because if not I started vlogging way back and I even missed my way, but right now I found my way back. So let me just really explain what happened just now. It was a bit dramatic. I'm just gonna walk through these people before I start talking. So as I was saying, it was a bit dramatic, guys. The guy I saw, the one of my video from the start of the video, see, I was not wrong when I said I noticed that guy was following me. Let's go. So I was not wrong when I told you guys I noticed that guy was following me, stalking me and stuff like that. I honestly was not wrong. So the guy, anytime I stop, he will stop. Anytime I move, he moves. And the worst part was, I decided to even change my roads. I started to pass like this little streets that are not that, you know, open. I mean, they're obviously open, but there was no more light. So I started to use that route to really know, even if this guy told me he was looking for his way. Yeah, you're looking for your way. That means you can't just be going the same way I am going. So I started to use that road. Okay, that is a bit fast. Though it's going, but I'm just scared. Why is it very fast? But I'm gonna work. Alright. So I was like, why is it doing that? It's not just right. So that was when I decided to wait. And I tried different ways, and the guy was walking with me like he was basically following me, stalking me. I think he was after my phone because I said something on one of my videos where he was really close to me, where I noticed this guy was stalking me. So anyways, so basically I discovered this guy was following me, so I reached out to someone. That's the part of the video. So I met other guys walking. I just talked with them. One of the guys tried talking to him, so I don't know what they said. I don't know what he told the guy because it were secrets. Because I actually work away from the look at my lash, guys. Anyways, because I actually like move a little bit from there because I didn't want to go close to the guy. I don't trust him. I don't know if he has a knife or stuff like that. Anyways, so when I worked away from the guy, I want to use my subway there, but I'm just gonna try to finish talking here. So when I walked away from the guy, I noticed stopped as well. He went ahead of me, then drove back again. That was when I was like, oh my god, this guy is a complete stalker. This guy's after something. So when I discovered that the other guy tried talking to him and he's like nothing, and he's still there, like still waiting with me, which I filmed that part a little bit. So and the guy said he has to go, obviously because he was working with some other guys. That was when I was like, okay, I'm gonna call the police myself. So I reached out to the police, which I think we took almost maybe less than 8 minutes on car. So the guy was still there. Then he left when he noticed I was speaking with the police. He left and he went to the front. So when I was about to end the call, he came back again. Can you guys even see me? Let me increase my brightness. Like, he came back again. What does he want? I don't even know. So it was when the guy came back again, I was like, oh my god, this is beyond me. So I told the police lady, and then she got all the information she needed for me, like describing the guy and you know how it looks and all of that. So I did that for her, and she was really nice. She was really sweet. She makes me calm on the call. So after she made me calm on the call, then she told me if the guy was still there. The guy was there like for some minutes, and then when the guy discovered I was not ending the call, I was standing in front of a restaurant. So that was when the guy left. So I didn't like see a sight of him anymore after some minutes. And then I told the lady, and she was like, okay, the police lady, and she was like, okay, just keep walking and I'll walk with you, like be on the call. So we're walking. So when I discovered I could not see the guy anymore, so I told her, and then that was when I asked her to end the call. If maybe I get any signs again, I'm gonna call her back. She was really sweet, honestly, and I felt relief after talking with her. And yeah, and obviously that was why the guy left, because he obviously knew I was talking with the police, so I had to speak like that for him to hear me. So anyway, so that was how I lost the guy. And yeah, guys, yeah, I was even scared right now because going home, and the time is I think almost 9:30 or 9 something p.m. Let me just see. Okay, the time is currently 9 p.m. so I wanted to make this video here where there's so many people in the front of in the front of this place, so I feel like I'm kind of safe. You know, I don't want to get to my area then bring out my phone and start filming again. Not really. Anyway, so this is the resort. I've got so much happening, guys. I don't know what happened to me this week. So yeah, but this is the resort. I mean, there's a bit of a sparkle, so I probably might show you guys when I get home. Just ignore my acne, my spot. It's gonna go away. It's always like that. It comes and go. Anyways, so I'm gonna be heading home right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Wish I would have made more video. I was already too tired. That's why I didn't film any process of the eyelashes, and obviously I can't hold my phone because your eyes are closed and all of those things. So how was the feeling? Let's talk about that. It was a bit painful in some part, a bit like itchy, a bit I felt a glow on my eyes sometimes, because sometimes I try to open my eyes, I'm like, oh, okay. It was just those feelings, but I'm okay. I'm gonna just work to my subway. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, thumbs up this video, share with your friends. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. And always stay careful, guys. Always be sensitive to your area, because if I was not sensitive, probably by now I would have lost my phone. So anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I love you all. Please subscribe if you're not, and happy vlogmas. Merry Christmas in advance and happy New Year. I love you guys, and bye. This is the subway. Those are my tiny little legs.
These are cute though.
Just smile at every word I wrote. Would that make you wanna